I'm going to present about image. From the picture above explained, A. Formal and stylish, very interested in fashion. B. Trendy and fashionable. C. Casual and relaxed, not to focus on fashion. D. Traditional and conservative style. E. Simple and comfortable, not interested in fashion trends. F. Casual and relaxed look. And clothes are boots, dress, earring, jacket, jeans, jumper, shirt, skirt, shoes, sunglasses, sweatshirt, tie, trainers, trousers, and shirt.
Now, let's move on to keywords of image. First, let me introduce the keywords. They are casual, cheap, colorful, comfortable, expensive, fashionable, formal, practical, smart, and trendy.
Next, I'm going to present an article about fashion. This article explains which clothes are in and which clothes are out this year. Spring is here. The weather is getting better, and it's time to think about clothes. This year, colors are brighter. Orange, yellow, and red are more fashionable than dark colors. And the fashion this year is less casual and more formal than last year. For boys, clothes are smarter. Jeans and trainers are out. Jacket, ties, and shirts are in. Ties are wide and very bright. Trousers are also wider this year, and leather trousers are in. They more expensive and less practical than jeans, but they're trendier. T-shirts are out this year and earrings are worse. For girls, this year is more colorful than last year. Bright cotton dress and skirts are in. Skirts are longer and small leather boots are very fashionable. Sweatshirts are in. They are bigger and more comfortable than jumpers, jacket. White shirts and ties are also in. Buy red or yellow jackets to be really trendy. Jeans and short skirts are out this year. The article is talk about new fashion trends for boys and girls. Bright color and smarter clothes are the main trend this year.
This video is about comparative adjective in English. This is Jack and this is Mike. Jack is shorter and Mike is tall. Jack is shorter than Mike. Mike is taller than Jack. We often need to compare different things and people. And to do this, we use comparative adjective. For example, smaller, bigger, taller, shorter. If the adjective has only one shall be, we make it comparative form by adding the suffix er, shorter, short, shorter. And if the adjective has a short vowel and a consonant at the end, we need to double the consonant. Big, bigger. More example: small, smaller, tall, taller, old, older, hot, hotter. Jack is quite sociable. Mike is very sociable. So, Mike is more sociable than Jack. If it's a two and more syllable adjective, we need to add the word more before the adjective. Sociable, more sociable. Repeat after me. More sociable, more interesting, more boring, more opposite of the word more is less. Less sociable, less interesting, less boring. Jack is shorter than Mike. Mike is more sociable than Jack. So, we use the word then we compare things and people. There are so special cases relate to the use of comparative adjective. if it's a two and more syllable adjective ending in y. You can make its comparative form by changing y into I and adding the suffix er. Easy, easy, easier, easy, easier, lazy, lazier, happy, happier, funny, funnier. But there is another way. You can also make the comparative from adjective ending in y with the help of more easy. So there are two ways: more easy, more lazy, more happy, more funny. Jack is a good speaker. Mike is not a very good speaker, but Jack is a better speaker than Mike. Some adjectives have irregular forms: good, better, bad, worse, far, further, or farther. For example, Paris is further from here than Berlin. Today, the weather is better. My car is worse than Jack's. Mike and Kate are 25 years old. Jack is 40 years old. So Mike is as young as Kate, and Jack is not as young as Mike and Kate. To make an equal comparison, we use the formula as adjective as. For example, Mike is as young as Kate, or is negative variant, not as adjective as. Jack is not as young as Mike and Kate. Mike and Kate are much younger than Jack. However, Jack is much more experienced than Mike and Kate. When we talk about big difference, we use the words much a lot far before the comparative. For example, Kate and Mike are much younger than Jack. Kate and Mike are a lot younger than Jack. Kate and Mike are far younger than Jack. And one more example with a long adjective. More than two syllables. Jack is much more experienced than Mike and Kate. Jack is a lot more experienced than Mike and Kate. Jack is far more experienced than Mike and Kate. When we talk about small difference, we use the words a little bit, slightly, plus the comparative. For example, John is a little younger than Mike. John is a bit younger than Mike. John is slightly younger than Mike. And one more example with a long adjective. Jack is a bit more experienced than Mike and Kate. Jack is a little bit more experienced than Mike and Kate. Jack is slightly more experienced than Mike and Kate. This is all about comparative. Comparative adjective is a sentence pattern in English used to compare two things. When we observe or talk about two things, we can certainly compare them with each other. For that purpose, we use comparative adjective to explain the difference. Let's look at the following example. The comparative form of the adjective long is longer. We can say A is longer than B. The comparative from the adjective tall is taller. We can say A is taller than B. The comparative form of the adjective expensive is more expensive. We can say B is more expensive than A. The comparative form of the adjective cheap is cheaper. We can say A is cheaper than B. Comparative adjective form. What is the form of the comparative adjective? As we have seen in the example above, the comparative adjective form is divided into two, which are short adjective plus er, long adjective plus more. What is the difference between the two? Let's see the explanation. Short adjective. 1. Syllable. Short adjective. Example: short. Comparative form: shorter. Long. Longer. Big. Bigger. Fast. Faster. Syllable words ending in minye: easy, easier, happy, happier, funny, funnier. Some example of sentence are as follow: Randy is 165 cm. Pandu is 118 cm. Randy is shorter than Pandu. Diana house is 70 meter to Diana house is 300 meter to Diana house is bigger than Diana house. Tiger is faster than cow. I think English is easier than math. Rina is happier than Rini. Long adjective. Long adjective. Syllables. Example: honest. Comparative form: more honest. Handsome, more handsome. Modern, more modern. Expensive, more expensive. Diligent, more diligent. Beautiful, more beautiful. Some explains of sentence are as follow: Dinda is more honest than her sister. Eric is more handsome than his brother. Your home is more modern than my home. Ferrari is more expensive than BMW. Andy is more diligent than Rudy. Her mom is more beautiful than Siska. Apart from the two forms above, there are also irregular comparative forms. Include good becomes better, bad become worse, far become further.
Perhatikan judul artikel di bawah ini tentang Christina Ricci. Menurutmu, apa topik dari artikel di bawah ini? Physical appearance, family, film character, personality, school, ambition. A question of image. Christina Ricci is not a typical film star. She doesn't like Hollywood, the parents of the people. She is happy to live on the East Coast of the US. I love the people and the snow there, she say. Her ambition is not to be rich and famous, but to be a good actress. I want to be actress, not a star. Christina always goes interesting parts and often work in small independent films. Christina does not look like a typical glamorous Hollywood celebrity. However, she is good looking with a round face and large eyes. She often plays the part of stranger of even bad character. In the Addams film, Christina first big second. She played the little girl Wednesday. She never smiled and was horrible to her brother. In the Ice Storm, Christina was Wendy, an angry and happy teenager. More currently, Christina was Johnny Depp's girlfriend in the brilliant horror film Sleepy Hollow. However, in real life, Christina is very different for her film image. She lives in New York with her boyfriend, Matthew, and her two cats, Virgil than Fair. Christina enjoys live a normal life. She likes watching TV and cooking or going out with her friends. Work is also a very important part of Christina's life. She has to travel a lot and to work very hard when she is making a film. She also has to give a lot of interview and go on television because she is famous actress with a total of more than 15 films already. Christina is a young person with her bright future in front of her. Proposition with. Buatlah kalimat yang menceritakan Christina dengan menggunakan proposition with. Contohnya, 1. Christina is good looking with a round face. She going out with her friends. 2. Sam is good looking with his tall and thin body. She has blonde hair. 3. She lives with her boyfriend in London. 4. Chris works with his brother. 5. Tim has a square face with a small nose.